like a wildflower. Hello, yung Kai, wildflower. Yan ang tuturo. Chords lang ang tuturo ko sa inyo ha, para sa mga hindi pa alam yung chords nito. Siyempre. Igay. Like E. So, paano ang bilang? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Parang ganun. So, let's start na. Una-una, D major 7. Katipa, yan ang una-unang chord. Okay, D major 7. Alam mo na ba yan? Open 4th string. And then, dire-diretso sa baba. Naka second fret ang tatlong string sa baba. Okay? So, open ang 4th string. Ay, sorry. Yan. And then, B minor, katipa. So, may bar chord kang gagawin. Okay? So, ibabar mo ang second fret. Pwedeng diretso sa 6th string. Yung mga sanay na, iniiwasan na lang yung 6th string para hindi tumunog. Pwedeng diretso para pwedeng patunugin yan. Actually, hindi sintonado yan. Pero, sa iba, ganun na lang ginagawa. May dampi ng balat yung 6th string kaya hindi tumutunog. Okay? So, yeah, second fret ang bar, and then 5th string 2. Second fret yon. And then 4, 4, and then 3, and then 2 ulit. Siyempre, naka second fret yung first string, naka bar ka eh. Okay? And then E. 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. Okay? Puro fret yun, yung number na sinabi ko. Open, second, first fret, open, open. Okay? And then meron din ditong B diminished, katipa. B diminished. Ganyan. Madali lang to. Kasi may ibang B diminished, ganyan. Ito, madali lang pinakita ko. So, open ang 4th string, and then first fret, and then open ang second string, then first fret ang first string. Okay? Ganon. So, mula 6th string, X, X, 0, 1, 0, 1. Meron din dito F sharp minor. So, bar mo yung second fret, and then yung 5th string 4, 4th string 4, 4th fret. So, puro second fret na yung iba. Okay? Hanggang 6th string yan. Wala na yata. Yes, wala na, katipa. So, bago tayo mag-continue, B minor, kung gusto mong madali, sa mga super beginner. Ito, pwede X ang 6th string, tapos 2, 0, 2, 3, 0. Kita mo? Na-gets mo? X, X, 6th string X, and then 2, second fret, 5th string yun, and then open 4th string, and then second fret ang 3rd string, yun, and then, ayan 3rd fret ang second string, 0, ganun, sa mga ayaw sa bar chord. And then, F sharp minor, pwede rin ito, pwede na ito, puro second fret. Lagyan mo ang 6th string, lagyan mo ang 4th string, lagyan mo ang 3rd string. Nga pala, mas maganda, nakamute ang 5th string. May balat na nakadampi para hindi tumunog. Pero, ayan tumutunog ang A, ang 5th string. Tumutunog. Parang hindi naman masagwaan na. Pero mas maganda yan kung nakamute yan. Okay? So, yun na. Ang mga chords. Pag-aralan mo lang maigi ang chords na iyan, tapos, saka mo i-timing ang pagpapalipat-lipat. Medyo masalimutan lipat nito, di ba yun na nakita mo kanina, binibilangan ko. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 1 and nagets mo? Kasi sumasangat yung diminished. So, again, magigets mo yan. So, D major 7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, lipat. Ganon. 1 and B minor. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. E and 2 and 3 and ganon. E and 2 and 3, 1, magiging B diminished. E and 2 and 3, B diminished, F sharp minor, and then B diminished again. Pero yung susunod na B diminished, hindi ka parehas ng lipat, hindi ka parehas talaga ng bilang yung kanina. Okay? Again, D major 7, mas bagalan pa natin. Ano? D major 7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and ganon. So sabayan naman natin ang strumming. So down up lang, di ba? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and, di ba? Down up lang. Ang mahalaga yung kaninang binilang natin, yun yung timing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and yes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and so pagka normal na talaga yan, di ba? Alternative chords sa B minor tsaka sa F sharp minor. Ay sorry, ito pala F sharp minor again. Ayos. Alright. So, yun lang. Ang chords, ang pattern nitong kantang ito. Yung kay Wildflower. Paring than here. A babe here.